Good morning, dear students. Today we will do topic half from your mathematics book, chapter 3, concept of fractions. But before doing this work, everybody should know to prevent corona, we should wash or sanitize our hands, wear mask, and we should maintain social distancing. If it is not needed, please avoid going outside. Now everybody take out your mathematics notebook, write down today's date here. Chapter 3, concept of fractions on the top line. Today's topic half, 1/2 or 1/2 on the next line. And now we will do something different today. As you have done half in the figures. Whenever we have to divide any figure into half, it is very easy to divide any figure into two parts. Now, if there are figures in more number, then how to divide into halves? Now, let's see. First of all, everybody, you have to count all the figure. A part is there are some squares. Now we have to count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many squares are there? 4 squares are there. So I will write 4 here. So we have to divide. So I will put a sign of divide here. Okay. Now we have to divide it into half. क्योंकि हमें इसके half करने हैं, इसलिए we will divide the number with 2. So whenever I divide, so I have to read the table of 2 to get 4. 2 2s are 4. So whatever will be the answer, we have to color those numbers of figures. जो हमारा आंसर आएगा, हमें उतनी फिगर्स को कलर करना है. So I will start coloring. As I get 2, so I will start coloring 2 figures here. Am I clear to you? Now the next one, in the B part, there are some circles. Now we have to count these circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 circles. So I will write 6 here. As we have to divide, so we will put a sign of division here. Now we have to divide it into half, as we are doing half today. So we will divide it by 2. Okay. Now I have to read the table of 2 to get 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 is the answer. So मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया, जो आंसर आएगा हमें उतनी फिगर्स को कलर करना है. So we have to start coloring 3 circles. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now in the next part, there are some triangles. We have to count these triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 triangles are there. So I will write 8 and then we have to divide. That is why I will put the sign of division. Then we have to divide into half. That is why I will put here 2. Now I have to read the table of 2 to get 8. 2 4s are 8. So 4 is the answer. So I have to color 4 triangles here. What does it mean? इसका मतलब है 4 का जब हम आधा करेंगे तो हमारा आधा करने पे, हाफ करने पे 2 आंसर आएगा. अगर हम 6 कोई चीजें हैं हमारे पास, अगर हम उसको हाफ में डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर 3 आएगा. और अगर हमारे पास कोई 8 थिंग्स हैं, अगर हमें उसको हाफ में डिवाइड करना है तो हमारे पास 4 रह जाएंगी. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, डी पार्ट, देयर आर सम स्टार्स. वी हैव टू काउंट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have to write 10 here. Now I have to put the sign of division and then 2, as we are doing half. Now we have to read the table of 2 to get 10, that is 5. That means 10 का अगर हम हाफ करें तो हमारा हाफ क्या आता है 5. नाउ आई हैव टू कलर 5 of these stars. So let's start coloring. आप बच्चे बहुत अच्छे से कलरिंग करेंगे. I will show you. I have already done this work earlier and I will show how to color. Okay. Now in the E part there are some cups and we have to count all the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are 12 cups and we have to divide these 12 cups into halves. अगर हम 12 cups को half में divide करें तो how many cups do we have? So we have to read the table of 2 to get 12, that is 6. That means the half of 12 is 6. 12 का आधा 6 होता है. So we will start coloring these cups. Now we have to color 6 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now the next part, F part, there are some leaves and we have to count these leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. These are 16 leaves and now we have to divide these into halves. Now I have to read the table of 2 to get 16, that is 8. That means 16 का आधा 8 होता है. Okay. 8 is the half of 16. Now we have to color 8 leaves here. Okay. Let's start coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Now the next part is there are 2 clouds. So I have to write 2 here, put the sign of division and we are doing half. That is why we will put 2 here. Now 2 ones are 2. The answer is 1. So I have to color it only 1. Okay. This way you can do these sums if the number of things are more and you have to divide those things into halves. You have to divide by 2. अगर आपको कोई बोले कि आपके पास 6 टॉफीज हैं, आप उसमें से मुझे आधी दे दो, तो आप क्या करोगे? तोड़ तोड़ के दोगे? नहीं दोगे ना तोड़ तोड़ के. तो आप क्या करोगे? 6 को 2 से डिवाइड कर दोगे तो आंसर आपका 3 आ जाएगा. तो आप सामने वाले को 3 दे दोगे और 3 आपके पास रह जाएंगी. दैट मीन्स आधी आपने उनको दे दी और आधी आपके पास है. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने ये पहले से भी कर रखा था. यू कैन सी मैंने वो सभी पार्ट्स इस तरह से कर रखे हैं. Coloring must be like this. Okay. You can see this way you can do your work. Okay. Now you have to practice all this at your home. Okay. Bye dear students.